So the day is done, finally. Came in from really Cordell, Georgia, went up to Locust Grove, picked up the next load, and then came all the way down to Pinellas Park, which if you're not familiar with that, let's call it Tampa, St. Pete area. Dinner's cooking. And after about a 13-hour day, I really started running low on hours. Had about 15 minutes left on anything that I could work off of, drive time or the 14-hour clock. So, being the Florida boy that I am, it's really, really good when you're on a dedicated account and you know all of the hidden areas to go park at. When I say hidden, even though I'm going to show it to you here in a little bit. But instead of doing the overnight like a Pilot or a random rest area on 75 or a Love, something like that, I came out to the Skyway Bridge, and it's about close to 7 o'clock, 1900. So sunset's going to be in a little bit, but as far as the shutdown is concerned, I'm going to kind of give you a little bit of a tour of what I've been doing recently. So sit back and relax, and for the four of you that continue watching after this part, have fun. So we've got the bacon in there. I have to kind of make it up as I go along here. Let's start with 4 minutes, because that is going to go along with what's going to go in here. What's going to go in here? I've got that grill ready to go. And somewhere in here is the Silent Moo. Here we are. Probably shouldn't have closed that. There's probably some people that are out there that are yelling at me, why would you store it that way, blah, blah. It's fine, it's whatever. When you live on a truck, you only have certain options. Ready for the sizzle? Here we go. Don't forget the top board. So we'll let that go for a little bit. We'll check back on the bacon in about 3 minutes. This is a Smithfield cherry wood. Got it at Walmart. Burgers are a little insane. So it gets a little smoky back here because duh. Let's see if I can get the beard in here. Yeah, I really don't eat at truck stops anymore. I might on occasion, but it's definitely not like it was the first year when I was out here, where it was like, being an idiot, eating Chester's and Subway every other day. Now maybe it's once a week. Because since I've got that grill on board and everything, I can make like sandwiches, burgers, obviously. I haven't really tried it with steak yet. That might be a good idea to try out. But I've gone from when I started out here, I was at about 250, and now I'm down to about 230. Not really doing a lot, just eating better. Let's go check on the bacon. Excuse me, bacon, are you done yet? Bacon just finished up. Careful, careful. Stay. I don't really melt my cheese. Probably could. Don't want to though. Yeah. Always make sure to turn off your grill. Come on, you're better than this. There we go. Well, there goes the copyright strike.